Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So today we will talk about firstly your successfully passed the text screening, and we had issue with a score. Now looks like all mentors added the score, and if you notice that you got less than 30 points, you can proceed learning our courses like second stage. Explain why. Because on second stage you will connect and work with your mentor, and 30 points was as a part to show that your knowledge, if you got 30 points, it means like you can proceed learning on our course and complete our task on second stage. Yeah, and all of you who passed and who got 30 points already had a mentor, and I guess you already connected with them, and they already reviewed first task for mentors check. And we will talk about our weekly assignments for this week. You need to learn and our models regarding I think on JavaScript. It means like firstly understand what is a fetch, what is a promises, what was before promises, like what I think a wait function and how work with them. And you need to pass, I guess I've already added in the schedule like available test, yeah, for this task. And one interesting task for 3 weeks, it's async race, and I guess need to I just needed to check that you still hear me. Yeah, this tag async race. So if you already read this task, you didn't find any link for design, and just we don't have specific design to complete this task, and hopefully I will get as an example link for one demo to show you how it's as example how it should looks like, but I will get it only tomorrow, so I will share the link on the chat tomorrow. Yeah, for this task you have really huge amount of score. Yeah, and we have a functional requirements and non-functional requirements to complete this task. I guess need to start with non-functional requirements. As you can see, you can't use any frameworks to complete this task. Also, main idea of this task is creating application as SPA, like a single page application. And also like it should be like all the HTML content should be generated by JavaScript. Yes, you already did similar task to add your code using JavaScript. And as you can see here, describe like firstly to create the logical layers. It's mean like how to create, how to split your code. Need to discuss with your mentor before implementing. It's a main point. Yeah, and you need to create like for basic structure like garage and winners, like two view of your site. And as an example, I will show in atlassian.com how to create like SPA. What does that mean? Like you will have as example two button like a garage and winner. As you can see in URL, like it was changed, but it uh, didn't re-render. It means like JavaScript show one content when you click for plan, and second content when you click to the track. You will have the same logic for show uh, to show garage and winner view. Uh, you can use uh, like display block and display none to split two side. And it's like my advice is how to complete this task. And any details you can confirm and like investigate with your mentor. And also your car should be like changeable. You need to, for example, can change the color of the car, and for this one, you need like as my advice, you need to use SVG format of the car, like as image, and to change it, use the fill like method fill in CSS to change the color. It will be easiest way to change the color. And yeah, firstly, you need to understand how to like communication with the server, how to create a fetch request to get some data from database, and here should be link for repository which you should like fork or clone it. Yeah, and it will be as a API from which you will get cars, yeah, to create cars, etc. Firstly, as I mentioned, you need to communicate with your mentor and create architecture as a pattern of flow, how you will create, how you will complete this task. Yeah, yes, yeah, as I mentioned, it's for 3 weeks. You will have enough time to complete this task. And firstly, just need to create a logic uh, of your application. Any questions?
I've got a question about two views and routing. So from what I can gather, when we click garage or winners links, the URL must change. Am I right?
Yeah,
Or
it should be changed, but it shouldn't be render. What I mean, like when
kind of routing as React router, something like that, but build using vanilla JavaScript.
yeah,
Great. Great.
As you can see, like when I click on features, it will be re-render of this whole page. But in this tab, but it's a similar to show what I mean. Like when you click to Kanban, URL was changed because it's a tab, and like from using a JavaScript, they changed the content of this view. Any questions? Anyone else?
Could you please clarify about this S-lint config or what is it? S-lint configuration?
Yeah. This link of European style should be used something. Link can be. Yeah, I mean, like here, you should add ESLint to be consist for all of your application. For example, in real project, we have ESLint to have the same requirements to spacing for whole application. Like for example, if I clone your repository and then start coding, it will change it like rules as you added in ESLint. Like 2 spaces, you should like close brackets, etc. every time. All of the yeah, it's here described, like just you need to confirm it with your mentor.
Okay. We should follow all rules, yeah?
Yeah,
like,
if you will add ESLint, like it will show the warning that's, for example, you should use const instead of var if this variable won't change the below, and it can be run without changing this issue. So, and to skip this issue, you can use some of the comments to skip ESLint warning, and yeah, there shouldn't be any ESLint error of warning, and it means like yeah. For example, you will see that disable next line. You shouldn't have the same fields in your application.
okay, thank you.
Is it clear?
More or less, yeah. I wonder if we are supposed to install ESLint as a dev dependency and use config. Can we download this Airbnb config?
Yeah, you can like easily find it.
I wonder we can install ESLint plugin into VS Code, and it will show us all the warnings, if I'm not mistaken.
Also, like you will add it. If I'm not mistaken, this task you should use a webpack also. Yeah, you will add it as a dependency, and it will be in your package, as if I'm not mistaken. Okay. Stands Airbnb. Point is React. I will send it in our chat. Yes, it will be a useful link to add. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, you can use this link which I sent it to add ESLint in your application.
Okay, pretty clear, more or less. Thank you.
Thank you. If you have a question, write in chat or directly, so I will answer it. Have a nice day. Thank you. Bye bye.